Welcome to 1299 4th Avenue, New Kensington, Pennsylvania, the brand new home of our wonderful company.
All of our cast aluminum lamps are made in-house from scratch using domestically sourced materials. From castings to hand-blown glass to domestically sourced electronics, we bring all of our products in, punch, press, drill, and tap, everything on site, and then move everything over to our in-house welding station, where George assembles every lamp by hand. After welding and powder coating, all lamps move into our finishing and assembly phase, where all lamps are treated with the same love, care, and packaging before they're sent out to your beautiful home. If you have any additional questions, please reach out to us at any time. We'd love to help.